Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Then swipe left on the screen a couple more times to scroll through the menu. Find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the language option. And then tap on it. And here we have the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it, for example, Deutsch. Once you select the language, it should be applied after a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.